Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecast, and we've got a sunny but cold winter day coming up for your Broncos playoff Saturday. This is the forecast in Denver. Lots of sunshine as we go into the game. Kickoff temperature right about 38 degrees. But there will be just enough wind still left over where we could get these wind chills down closer to freezing. So a little bit uncomfortable at times, especially the second half of that Broncos game, but hopefully with a good result. Let's take a look at that wind forecast here. As we go through the early part of Saturday, we'll see just light winds here. This is 2:30 in the afternoon where the Broncos are kicking off. Still some 10 to 15 mile per hour gusts in the area. Still some strong winds out here, maybe up to even 40 miles per hour on the eastern plains, just enough to keep the fire weather up near elevated levels. But most of the really strong 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts will be long gone by the time we get into Saturday. And then Saturday night will actually start to calm down just a little bit before our next system comes in on Sunday night. Just another batch of cold air coming through. Highs for your day coming up on Saturday across the area, 30s and maybe some 40s out here on the eastern half of the state, some 20s, 30s up in the mountains, 46 out in Grand Junction. Taking a look at the future cast as far as precipitation, and we're not seeing much. In fact, this dry pattern still continues as this Arctic air doesn't have a lot of actual precipitation or moisture in it, but up in the mountains we could squeeze out a few isolated light snow showers, maybe an inch or two in some spots. Out here on the eastern half of the state, we could see some flurries involved in some of these low clouds, maybe even some snow accumulation up on the Palmer Divide in Albert County. But this next cold front will actually flush the system here, and that's why we're looking at most of the day complete sunshine across the state of Colorado all the way until the sun goes down. Here we are at 9 o'clock, clear skies, and that'll stay clear into the day. Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, we'll start to see the next batch of cold air start to enter the state, and that will bring just a slight chance for some flurries here on MLK morning. Monday morning, we could see some flurries actually leading to some accumulation here in Denver. Still a little too early because of the light nature of that forecast to tell of how much snow or how many places, but it looks like just some isolated flurries with a dusting of snow accumulation in some spots. Then we warm up for a few days during the week, and we will be watching next weekend, particularly Saturday, for one more storm system coming through that doesn't look too significant, but colder temperatures ahead. That's your forecast. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you all have a real nice Saturday.